Hello everybody, this is Daily Devlog number 10. It's been a couple days. I overslept or underslept. I stayed up all night. So I didn't make a couple videos. But I've been working. Here's the last commit I just pushed over the past couple of days. Concludes I just cleaned up error handling. I was creating a product every single time anyone would come to the Stripe checkout page. And that obviously doesn't make any sense. There should just be one product that's bought multiple times. You don't need a billion products. And yeah, I cleaned up error handling. So you can see this. I was able to get rid of this entire function, and then I replaced it, I think, with just this. Actually, no, maybe that was somewhere else. But you get the idea. It was like changes like that. I'm running into a really weird issue that I'd like to share with you. So here's my server function handler, right? And you can see it's providing the context. Here's my leptos routes handler. You can see it's providing the context. And then we can see that both of these are called, right? This one's called server function handlers, called on the API routes, at least on the server functions. And then I have this thing, which calls this function here, right here. And then if we go here, you can see it calls Stripe client. So I would expect that, we've provided the context. This will use the context of Stripe clients. But if I actually go ahead and do it, you can see I'm getting a bunch of errors. Could not set stored value. That's interesting. But what I'm seeing over here is that could not get Stripe clients, even though context provided to has actually happened. And that is the one that is the one that's handling the server function, which you can see is providing the context. So I'm not quite sure why that's happening. It's a little bit confusing. Maybe this error over here could not set stored value. Maybe that has something to do with it. But I don't know. So for some reason, my Stripe calls are now broken. That's been the daily update.